In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear Chrome cookies in just a few easy steps. This is a quick and useful fix if a website is not loading correctly, if you want to sign out of sites, or if you simply want to refresh your browser and remove stored site data. Clearing cookies can help solve login issues, website errors, and other browsing problems. And the best part is that it only takes a moment. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. This opens the main Chrome menu where you can access settings and browsing tools. From the menu, click Delete Browsing Data. This will open the clearing options where you can choose exactly what you want to remove. Next, select a time range. If you want to clear everything, choose All Time. That way, Chrome will remove cookies and site data from the entire browsing history range you select. After that, make sure you check cookies and other site data. This is the setting that clears stored login sessions, preferences, and site information. If there are other things you want to keep, make sure they are unchecked before you continue. For example, if you only want to remove cookies and not your browsing history or saved passwords, double-check those boxes before deleting. Once you've selected the right options, click Delete Data. Chrome will then clear the cookies based on the settings you chose. Depending on how much data is stored, it may take a few seconds to finish. After that, your cookies will be removed, and some websites may ask you to sign in again or reset certain preferences. That's completely normal, because cookies help websites remember you and your settings, and that's all there is to it. You've now cleared Chrome cookies successfully. If this tutorial saved you time or helped fix a browser issue, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.